Okay, what we sold and got. We are looking for the Air Max 98, so it should be somewhere around here. Oh, I missed the stair. Okay, and we have the Air Max 98. I'm looking for the size 13, and actually I sold two of these Air Max 98. Sold the size 13 and size 10 and a half. So here we go, we got the Air Max 98 size 10 and a half, and size 13 the retail on this one is 160, and if I'm not mistaken I bought this for 109 with additional 30% off. And there you go, nice color, and this some kind of Hornets colorway. I was saying like what was that, Miami colorway, but it's not that right. It is like more a Hornets colorway, but this one is the size 13 and this one is the size 10 and a half. I sold the size 13 more than the size 10 and a half because it was more limited sizing, and I sold this for $157.96, and then additional, and then the minus PayPal fees, which is 2.9, came down to $152.44 minus the buy cost of 76, because we bought this for 109 minus the 30%, so some more 76 buy cost. 152 minus buy cost of 76 is somewhere 76 also, so it's like 100% return of investment of the size 13. Not bad for the size 13. Size 10 and a half for a lower sold them for 130, so minus the 2.9 PayPal fees, came down to 126 minus the buy cost of 76, so somewhere around $50. So that's not bad, somewhere 80% return of investment, so not bad for the profit on this one. Still 80% return on investment, well, I'll take it. So next one, we are looking for a Jordan Superfly MVP. Should be somewhere around here. Let's move this out of the way. There we go. And the retail on this one is $140. Bought them for $44.97 with the additional 30% off, so it should be came down to $31.47. Phantom design, look at here, look at the one, not bad, right? And they call it MVP. Why? Because check that out, the numberings of the Jordan got MVP, so it was the 98, 92, what else, 96 and 91, 91, 92, 96 and 98. Anyway, this one is a nice quality sneaker. If I'm not mistaken, this one also have the React, if I'm not mistaken. Would you like to leave a comment down below? But anyway, how much is my profit on this one? Sold them for $99.07 minus 2.9% PayPal fees, came down to $96.19 minus my buy cost is $31.47, so it's like $64.70. Wow. So it's like doubling my money. It is 200% return of investment. So next one, we are looking for the Jordan 5 Air Jordan 5 Retro. We have the fire red colorway. If you've seen the video already, this one is new one in stock, and actually I said in the video that I might gonna flip the first one for really quick, so that I'm gonna keep the other one for a longer, hold them to resale, because this one is 11 and a half and it's not my size. So I bought this for $212. I sold them for $234.82 minus 2.9% of the PayPal fees, the buy cost of $212 minus 227, so it came down only to $15 return of investment. So I said, hey, before the massive came out of the stock, I wanna go out. I said I wanna go out with one and gonna keep the other one just in case. It's just like an experimentation for now. I don't wanna hold too many and then I'm gonna regret it because I didn't let it go the other ones. So $15 is still a profit. Not that much money a profit, but hey, take the $15 profit rather than take a $15 loss. So that's my take for now. I said gonna resell this one and keep the other one for long hold, just for some kind of experimentation, so I could learn how to resell more of the retail game. So it's like buying the actual retail and then reselling them above the retail. So what do you think on this one? Did I make that mistake? Well, I would love to hear your thoughts. So next one, we're looking for the off-white women's waffle racer. Don't mind, those are just my personal. Some of them haven't used yet. Use those. Those are still dead stock. Okay, so let's go check out get the off-white women's racer. So we sold the size 8. It's right here, women's waffle racer off-white. So here we go, we got the women's waffle racer off-white colorway, and we have the size 8, and boom, check that out. What do you think on this one? Well, it was like I've been keeping them for a while. I sold this for $221.25 minus the 2.9% PayPal fees. I bought them $159 plus tax, so some more $159, and then minus the $214 of what we made on goat, so it's somewhere like around $55. So that is somewhere like 35 to 40% return of investment. What do you think on this one, off-white waffle racers? Well, I already got me one of this. It's so comfortable, and the main thing that it's not really good for Bigfoot is because of this narrow thing here and the outsole. So that is a bummer for them, but for me it's not a big an issue because my foot's not big. But hey, making a 35 to 40% return of investment for this one off-white waffle, hey, I'll take it. So I said I'm just gonna keep it for a while because I know off-white might gonna go up the price, so I'm still keeping some of them. I just want to make at least, that's what I said, 30% to 40% return on investment, and I did made it. And so lastly, the one that we sold in goat, we got Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Yes, it doesn't take long for this Yeezy Boost 350 linen to sell out. Like, wow, really? And I got it right here. So how much I made on this Yeezy Boost 350 V2 linens? Actually, I sold them for $329.85, and minus the minus PayPal fees of 2.9%, and that's somewhere $320 minus the buy cost of $233. So somewhere $87. Not bad. I was hoping I could hit 100, but hey, take the win for now. So still learning in this retail game, more familiar on Nike factory store or Nike outlet store, but hey, $80 gain of investment, still a good one, rather than taking a loss of $87. But hey, I would love to hear your thought. What do you think? So here are the most that we sold on goat. Not bad, huh? What do you think? Please leave a comment down below. And also, what do you think one is much better sold on this one? This one, Air Max 98, the Yeezy, the MVP, the Retro 5, and the Off-White. So what do you think? Which one is better of them all? I would love to hear your thought. Please leave also a thumbs up. With that being said, Jay Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.